Hey there. Have you been looking for a new dash cam? I know I have, and if you have too, then you're in the right place because luckily I got this 4K dash cam sent to me to make a video about. The nice thing about this dash cam here is it says that it's 4K Ultra. The name on the dash cam is Discovery, and it comes with a lot of accessories too. Alright, let's go ahead and open this thing up and see everything that comes inside. Here's everything that comes in the box. You get the dash cam here. There's the dash cam. It also comes with a memory card. I got the memory card in there already. Memory card just comes in a little case right there. And then it also comes with a cord here to plug into your cigarette plug, and then the USB-C plug right there to power it. That's the way I powered it. I plugged it into here. You can also hardwire it here. It's got all the connections here to hardwire it into your car here. So it's got the instructions for that there. It's got the instruction manual here on how to hook everything up. It also comes with an app, so I had the app hooked up too as well. So you got a nice little instruction manual there. And then you get a rear camera as well. There's the rear camera here, and then it's got the plug in there for the rear camera too. And then it comes with some different mounting hardware here so that you can mount it a few different ways. And then it comes with a little pry tool, a little plastic pry tool to set everything up. Comes with a little memory card here, so I'm going to go ahead and put the memory card in. You got all the stuff on the side there, the power, and then the slot for the memory card, and then you got your power button over here on the other side. There's the camera on the front there, and then there's the screen there. So I'll go ahead and put the memory card in. Okay, it just said to hit the power button there to format the memory card, so I got the memory card formatted, and now it's recording. And then I just hit the power button again, and now I can see the screen there, so I can see what it sees. The camera's in the front there, and then I got the screen here so that I can see what's being recorded. Alright, I'll go ahead and go for a drive, and then we'll see what we can record. So here's some actual footage from the dash cam. You can see when you hold your phone horizontally on the app, you can get this image right here. It's a lot larger. But then when you flip it vertically, you can see it's got more controls on here. And you see the little horizontal image up at the top of your phone there, and then you'll see all this information here. You got some more stuff you can look at here. You can see your speed, you can see your altitude, you can also see your acceleration speed, and then you got some different options here. You can go into the folders, so you can see all the different video files, and then if you want to download any of these, you just click on them to download them. So you have all your different video folders there. And then when you hold your phone horizontal again, you can go back and look at your video footage and you see it full screen there. So it's really nice, good size there. And this is in the 4K right here. And then there it is again in the vertical once you flip it. So yeah, this dash cam's pretty nice. You can look at it on your app horizontally or vertically. And then you can also, if you want to, you can take the card out too. You can take the card out and then you can put that in the card reader on your computer and you can look at the video files that way too.